Speaking of idiots, I want to talk about Governor Ron Desantis. He's the governor of Florida.
Oh, John DeSantis.
Yeah, Ron Desantis.
Ron DeSantis.
Ron Desantis. He recently signed a law blocking an ordinance that would provide crucial heat protection for workers. This means no mandatory shade, water, rest breaks.
Hold on. Read that again for me real quick, please.
Yes. Governor Ron Desantis recently signed a law blocking municipalities. I hope I got that word. Municipalities
okay.
From enacting ordinances that would provide crucial heat protection for workers. This means no mandatory shade, water, rest breaks. Despite Torres witnessing a coworker got death from heat stroke and other emergency hospitalized due to relentless sun. You live in Florida.
You know what, man?
And you are the governor of Florida. And you're telling people you can't do nothing. They don't have to cover you up and protect you for nothing. Like you get what you vote for.
Like, these are the states right here, man. Like, when we talk about, oh, these guys are doing it right over here, this is also what they're doing. Stuff like this, where they're taking away workers' rights. You know, and now they said there's been an uptick of people dying in workplaces and having heat stroke and dying of heat stroke at work. Yeah. Who do you think is going to affect more than anyone else? People who are poorer, because they have to accept certain jobs just because they don't have the money to say, I'm not going to take it. And so these people are also stripping it. Yeah, it seems like they're being tough on people. Oh, they put in place the squatter law, which was good for people who own real estate, which is good. I agree with that law.
Yeah.
However, they come back then and now they want to strip away workers' rights, like stuff that we've gone hundreds of years to try and get. Basic right to shade, water. I mean, are you serious, man?
Yeah.
That's basic. Those are basic human needs.
I mean, that's what you get what you vote for. This guy, he shouldn't have been in office. They did some trickery to get him in there.
Yeah.
And now he's in there, and that's what you get. You know, you get, and so it's like, not everyone agrees with this in Florida. They're saying on April 11th, under the pushback against heat safety measures comes directly from the industry lobbyists. On April 11th, under their influence, DeSantis signed a bill that also cuts back child labor protection, but includes a controversial ban on local heat safety measures.
I mean, just listen to where they're heading with this. Y'all think this is all funny. Oh, yeah, those states over in California, those liberal states, they don't, this, that, and the third. But pretty soon they're going to be taking away your right to even be able to assemble and be in a union.
You know what's crazy, though?
Union did, what was that union? I think they were in, I'm not sure what state, but it was like some type of automotive union or something like that, the car dealerships. And they got each of your union members like $10,000 because they worked a deal to help them get like stock options. Or
unions are good. I've been in a couple of years.
This is what they're going to start doing, is repealing all the rights that you have. You're talking about all this regulation. This is what regulation is. Regulation is it helps you so that when you're in China, a building with 40,000 people just doesn't collapse on top of itself, because those are called regulations.
Regulations help you. So when you're in your backyard and something breaks, you know, you can, in a city or a gas leak happens, you know what I'm saying? Someone can come and fix it instead of keep it leaking. Now, you know, it's crazy. A lot of people are looking at Texas like they're doing it right. They're doing it right. And a lot of people fled and moved to Texas. You know what happened? They all moved right back to their states because they ain't like what was going on in Texas.
Man, I mean, look at Texas is flooding, right? I think Texas is just having some floods.
Are they flooding or are they frozen? It's a lot of weird stuff going on in Texas. Such a big state.
They had some floods down there just here recently, I believe. It's been going on everywhere. It's been a lot of extreme weather events. But to get back to Florida, man, this is what you get when you get people who are extreme. He's an extremist, period, plain and simple. I'm not saying that some of the laws they give you aren't going to be helpful, but most of what you get it's going to be things they take away from you. And you think that it's fine and dandy until it starts affecting you in your workplace, and it will eventually.
Yeah.
And so,
well, let us know what you think. Uncommon Courtesy. Like, listen, subscribe, hit that bell. Let us know what you think about it. We talked about in the comments. And once again, Uncommon Courtesy.